Here I am, tape measure man, checking out the distances now of B&M. I'm social distancing. There you go, 2 meters, perfect. See what it's like indoors. Well done, B&M. Absolutely excellent. Can't fault you. Social distancing was down to a key. This is one happy shopper. This is Tape Measure Man speaking for the nation. Keep them distances. See you later. Right, Tape Measure Man here again. Welcome, Tesco Express. Very well done. I'd like to thank the staff. Chrissy. Who else is in there? Chrissy, who else? Got to mention? What's your name? Teresa. Anybody else? Archie. Very, very good. Well done, ladies. Keeping the country safe. See you later, Tape Measure Man. Signing off. See you later. Tape Measure Man here. Just come down to say hello to Wiz. Keeping it at the 2 meters. Hey, Wiz.
Oh.
Got to be safe.
Got to be safe. Social distancing.
Social distancing. Keep it real. Bye. And look what my sponsors have done now. This is me with my car. Freebo. Freebo goes with Strongbow. Cheers, sponsors. Strongbow. And if you see me, you can give me a little bum and say hi. Bye.